I just got my new chicken feeder and chicken waterer set. So let's take it out of the box and put it together. All right, so all you do is you take this piece and you put it in here. And you put this O-ring on. And then you're gonna thread this part on, and you do this to each side. So there's one of these openings on each side. All right, I got it done on all four sides. And they have these little plugs in here. So if you wanted to plug it off so rodents don't get in there, then that comes with a plug. It also has legs here that fold down. So if you have regular or full-grown chickens, you would fold it down. If you have smaller chickens, then you can just not use the legs. So now I'm gonna put together the waterer. So here's the waterer. There's 2 holes right there on this side and 2 holes on the other. And here's the cups, and they're just real simple. You just unscrew that and put it through the hole and put that wing nut back on. So let me do that and show you what it looks like after it's put together. Okay, I got the water one down and got the legs all set up. So let me go take it outside and fill it up with some water and food and see how the chickens like it. Looks like my chickens are starting to figure out this is a new feeder for them. Looks pretty good. Looks like the chickens are starting to figure out there's food in there. I think they like it. They're just learning where these new feeder is. If you guys need a feeder and water set, I would recommend this brand. It looks like it's going to be great. It's got those pointed tops to keep them off of the from sitting on the top, and it looks like it's going to be pretty durable. And it holds 3.6 gallons of chicken feed and water. So my chickens are just gonna love this. If you need a chicken feed and water set, I would go ahead and recommend this brand. Thanks.